Today, let us discuss important questions related to the topic missiles. Which of the following is a multi-barrel rocket system developed by DRDO? Trishul, Prithvi, Pinaka, Dhanush. The answer is Pinaka. It was launched on 24th June 2021 at Integrated Test Range, ITR, Chandipur off the coast of Odisha. Which was the first vehicle to soft land safely on the surface of the moon? Luna 9, Ranger 6, Sputnik 25, Apollo 17. The answer is Luna 9. Luna 9, 1966, was an uncrewed space mission of the Soviet Union to transmit photographic data from the moon's surface to Earth. Nirbhay missile has a strike range of 500 kilometers, 200 kilometers, 100 kilometers, 1000 kilometers. The answer is 1000 kilometers. Nirbhay is a long-range subsonic cruise missile capable of deep penetration into adversary territory to strike high-value targets with precision. Developed by DRDO, which is India's longest-range ballistic missile. Nag missile, Agni 5, Akash 3, BrahMos. The answer is Agni 5. It is an ingeniously built advanced surface-to-surface ballistic missile with a range of over 5,000 kilometers, developed under the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. Which of the following is not a type of missile? Ballistic missile, cruise missile, Astra missile, photon missile. The answer is photon missile. Ballistic, cruise, and intercontinental missiles are real categories of missiles. Photon missiles are a fictional concept found in science fiction. What is IROV Tuna? Heliport Missile Underwater Drone Monorail. The answer is underwater drone. IROV Tuna is India's first commercial underwater drone, developed by IROV Technologies. Which of the following is a surface-to-air missile? SAM. BrahMos, Akash, Agni 5, Trident 2. The answer is Akash. The Akash missile is an Indian-made surface-to-air missile designed to intercept and destroy enemy aircraft and missiles. The other options are either ballistic or cruise missiles. Which of the following missiles developed by DRDO is an air-to-air missile? Astra, Akash, Agni, Prithvi. The answer is Astra. Astra, it is an Indian all-weather beyond visual range, active radar homing air-to-air missile. Hypersonic missiles are characterized by speeds greater than Mach 1, Mach 3, Mach 5, Mach 10. The answer is Mach 5. Hypersonic missiles travel at speeds greater than Mach 5, 5 times the speed of sound, making them extremely fast and difficult to intercept. Which one among the following is not a land-based ballistic missile? Surya, Dhanush, Agni, Prithvi. The answer is Dhanush. It is the indigenously upgraded gun of the Swedish Bofors gun procured in the 1980s. Which country developed the Patriot missile system? United States, Russia, China, Israel. The answer is United States. The Patriot missile system, developed by the United States, is a surface-to-air missile system, primarily used for defense against incoming missiles and aircraft. The first sounding rocket, Nike Apache, was launched by India in 1990, 1950, 1963, 2000s. The answer is 1963. Nike Apache was a US-made sounding rocket. It was launched from Thumba near Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala on November 21, 1963, marking the beginning of the Indian space program. Which of the following missiles is India's first intercontinental ballistic missile? ICBM. Prithvi, Agni 5, BrahMos, Nirbhay. The answer is Agni 5. Agni 5 is India's first ICBM, capable of striking targets over 5,000 kilometers away. It signifies a major advancement in India's strategic missile capability. Which missile is an Indian third-generation fire-and-forget anti-tank guided missile? Shaurya, Nag, Prithvi, Barak 8. The answer is Nag. Nag missile, range up to 4 kilometers. The missile uses an imaging infrared seeker and has a high explosive anti-tank, heat, warhead. It is developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization and is manufactured by Bharat Dynamics Limited, BDL. Which missile is jointly developed by India and Russia? Agni, Nag, BrahMos, Trishul. The answer is BrahMos. The BrahMos is a supersonic cruise missile developed jointly by India and Russia. It is one of the fastest cruise missiles in the world. The heat-seeking capability in missiles uses which type of sensor? Infrared, ultrasonic, GPS systems, radar systems. The answer is infrared. Heat-seeking missiles use infrared sensors to detect and lock onto the heat signature emitted by a target, such as the exhaust of an aircraft. Which part of a missile is responsible for housing and protecting the payload during flight? Nose cone, tail fins, guidance systems, propulsion systems. The answer is nose cone. The nose cone is designed to house and protect the payload during the missile's flight, often shaped to reduce air resistance.